This one, I used a semi-wet brush. So meaning that, I blotted the brush just a little bit before applying that wet brush onto the paper. So here's the first stage completely wet, and you can sort of make out that shape of the S, right? But there's heavy dispersion of the pigment. And as you continue, again, less and less dispersion. And then what's interesting about the dry one is that the color is still very bright because it's not being dispersed in the wet area. So the paint pigments are kind of like sticking together. And then I did yet another test. So I, again, put down the 6 stages of paper wetness, and then I did the test again with a wet brush. And so with this test, you can see that I could barely make out the shape of the S because the wet paint plus the wet paper just, made the pigments go everywhere. And again, you can still barely tell what these letters are until you get to the